Okay, we are here today at 3220 Anvil Place, and that's in Greensboro. And we are going to do a little virtual tour here, show you a little street scene and some surrounding properties. And then we will do an inside tour, and that'll give you a lot better idea of what the property looks like before you come and look in person. But what this is a separately deeded duplex. Actually, these are two separate homes. This is one and this is one, so it's kind of unusual in that respect. 2-bedroom, 1 bath. And get to see the beautiful snow in the picture that we just had. Ice too. As you can see, a lot of the personal belongings have not been removed, and of course they will be removed, but they haven't as of yet. And we have not done anything at all to this property, and we will do something to it unless the person coming in would prefer to do the things themselves. Does include appliances, does not include washer dryer, however. And you will see the washer dryer in this video, even though it is not included in the price. You have linen closets on both sides of the bathroom. And you are seeing the bathroom in its natural state. Like I say, nothing has been removed. Water heater back here behind or beside of the washer dryer. Little washer dryer area here. And here's bedroom number 1. The previous owner did not prefer to have doors on his closets. Therefore, there are no doors. Closet doors, that is. Here we have linen closet number 2. And I would probably say that this is the master bedroom. It's a little bit larger. A few spots on the carpet, nothing too major. Could use painting, but not necessarily. Could use carpet, but not necessarily. Let's take a quick view into the backyard. Does have a pet door on the back door if you have a pet. If you don't, we can close up that for you. Previous owner had a pet. And he has done some landscaping back here. You can't really get the full picture here because of the snow. It does have a storage building here in the back. Or not a building, but a storage area, I should say. And Do have a relatively new heating cooling system right here. Don't know the exact date, just know it's relatively new. Got a dog next door. And I'm not going to go all the way into the backyard, but you get a pretty good idea. Privacy fence in the backyard, and here's a view of the back of the house. Roof is in very good shape. See if I can put the lens on the roof there. See some furniture spots on the carpet, but like I said, the carpet is in pretty good shape actually. And here's the side of the home. Siding is relatively new as well. And there's a separate entrance to the backyard through the side, which you can't see it for the snow, but there's a sidewalk that goes there and goes into the backyard. So there you have it, 3220 Anvil Place, Greensboro.